Hey guys, Knox here from Knox Locks. Alright, week one of Knoxtober is closing, coming to an end. You have less than 48 hours of this video, which is being made on Friday, sometime in July. Anyways, week one's wrapping it up Sunday night, so Monday I'll announce the winner. So far, here's the people that are in. Of course, we got Lady Locks and Pocket Woman. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate support you guys give me. Huge. Greyhound Pickin'. Victory over Neptune. Nick's Picks. Jeff and Things. What's up, guys? These last two, I don't know. That was Lacerda 1212 and Aharo 789. Okay. Anyways, that those could be Reddit handles. Those could be, all you had to do was comment, and everybody did, and gave a very good answer. So, you guys are in for week one. If you made a video, I would love to see that. If you commented or whatever, and you feel your name should be here, please get in touch with me. I just, checked right before making this video, and this was everybody that was there. Let's see. That's pretty much all that. I'm to get this ball rolling a little more for the weeklies, get more momentum, because I understand the body bags for the younger cats are cool, but for the older guys, I want to show what the pot's gonna be. So I'll talk about it for a minute. So I got a full set of Petersons I'm gonna give away. Jimmy Long's Gen 1 Jimmys in the tan envelope. Let's see. Man, I got a lot of stuff going on for that. It's gonna be big, man. I got two kits for you to choose from. I got multiple locks, and trust me, 13 weeks to give them away, and a big grand prize at the end of it. And I also happened to cross 550, so I had promised once before that once I crossed 500. I was going to make one of those and give it out to my community. So that means you. So this is the cutaways that I make for sparrows. Chop and screw them. So now this has been sitting around for a year, right? And now I'm going to show you. It's no big deal. Just a matter of treated and not treated. And this isn't like the video that I'm doing. But just where I live is, man, it's like very humid, very, very humid. Anyway, so it gets tarnished real quick. I mean, this one was never prepped. I'm just saying, straight out of the box and on a shelf. When I took it out to start working on them again, I was like, wow, man, like they actually got green mold on them. So, yeah, man, the maybe it's the of course the polishing and all that stuff, but the compound maybe even helps the patina grow a lot slower. I personally don't like that patina, like the patina that it can leave the dark streaks. I like it nice shiny personally, but yeah. So one of these are at 550. I'll let you know when that one's up and coming. So those are two giveaways that I'm giving you heads up about. Okay, so you got weeks one for October wrapping up, and 550 coming up, and then yeah, look for good enough. We'll get there first, all right? So this is Knox Locks. Man, I miss picking time. We got to bring back picking time, even for Knoxtober addiction, and bring it back. Anyways, this is Knox Locks saying anything is possible when everything's unlockable. Later.